Hey everyone, hope you're doing good today wherever you're at. So today's an exciting time for crypto. I mean, a lot of altcoins are pumping right now, and I'm going to talk about a few that I really like, as well as some big events that recently happened, such as the Coinbase IPO and Doge's recent rise. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So one of the coins that I recently mentioned, and if you follow my Twitter, you'll see it, but I mentioned Venus Protocol. Now, actually my Discord group, I mentioned Venus last night, and you can see here that I mentioned buying some XVS here. This was at 10:20 p.m. And at that time, Venus was trading at $75.38. Now, I'm always scanning Twitter. I'm always trying to look for the next best coin. And the main reason is because they tweeted out an airdrop. So they tweeted out the Venus VRT airdrop as part of the V2 upgrade will be on May 15th. 1,000 VRT per 1 XVS will be airdropped exclusively on BSC with 9.5 million Venus NFT to all XVS holders as a candy gift 1-to-1. So this was insane because anytime there's an airdrop for coins, a lot of people tend to buy it. And I knew this, so going into that, I bought it right away at 75.38. And then now you can see that it's actually trading at 92.59 now. So that's a rise of over 21% in literally less than 24 hours. So this was a great buy, and again, I'm always alerting coins in my Discord group, so if you want to join, go ahead and send me a DM on Twitter, and I will help you with the details there. Now, the next big event to happen was, again, Doge has been rising a lot. So Dogecoin is actually up 43% to 18 cents. Now, a lot of people are asking what's the main reason for this. I think it's a combination of things. As you know, Dogecoin has been popularly advertised by Elon Musk. He loves the coin. It's a meme coin, but, basically it's kind of like a sticking it to the man kind of thing. So, the little guys are buying this coin before all the big Wall Street guys are. And it's kind of like, hey, we can be independent as well and still make a lot of money. And I also think with the new Coinbase IPO that happened, a lot of people came over to Coinbase where, again, you have all these different altcoins. So a lot of people essentially gravitated towards Dogecoin because it is lesser in price. Now, I know it doesn't matter if something's 60,000 versus not, but again, people are gravitated towards that lower in price because it makes them feel like they're getting more of a coin if they can buy 100 Doge versus 0.0001 of a Bitcoin. So I think that's a big reason. And again, just the meme coin, just more people kind of gravitating towards that right now, and a lot of new people getting in crypto, and Dogecoin has been a big face of that. So we'll have to see how much further it can go. But again, be cautious on any coin that's risen this much in this short amount of time. Again, always buy at support and make sure to wait for those pullbacks to do so. But lastly, we're going to talk about Coinbase's IPO. So Coinbase's IPO is really big. It happens yesterday, and a lot of people were anticipating this. A lot of people thought, hey, this is probably going to be the top for temporarily, or we could just accelerate even higher. And it looks like right now we are continuing higher in crypto. Now it shows you how different this is from 2017 because, again, you had the a lot of big events such as the backed launch, and people thought hey, it's going to keep going, and then it dumped in January 2018 right after that. So this looks like right now, again, knock on wood, that we're continuing to the upside. But a big thing I want to mention about this trading is when Coinbase released, it was releasing at $380. So this is here on TradingView. And when it released, you can see there's a lot of buy pressure in the first 30 minutes. Now, it went from 380 to a high of 428.94. Now, you can see from there, it's just dumped. And it dumped from 428 all the way down to $308. So that's more than a 25% drop in the span of less than 2 hours. So again, always be careful on any of these new hyped coins that are releasing. And especially, with the stock market, there's always manipulation on that as well. So you always have to be careful. I like to wait for it to maintain structure, like kind of getting this, little groove here. And then from there, once I can start making support, then okay, maybe I'll send buy levels here. So you can see right now that, there is a little micro support here at about 322, and that's kind of where it's staying around right now. So again, I drew some support resistance lines, one here at about 309. And then I drew one here resistance for about 344. So you can tend to trade in this range. And then from there, if it breaks out one way or the other, then expect it to go a lot lower or higher accordingly. So that's the biggest thing. And again, a lot of people are getting into crypto now. And since this Coinbase release happened, then more eyes are on crypto, and you're kind of seeing that more institutions, really more retail buyers are just kind of seeing crypto in the limelight, and now they're kind of flocking to it. You have a lot of new investors in there. So again, that goes to say, if you're one of those new investors, please be careful in this crypto space. Again, you have all these altcoins here, not knowing which ones to pick. Personally, I like to stay within the top 20, top 30 coins if I'm a new investor because, I know they're more established. They're going to be a little more stable. But again, always be careful. Always invest only what you can afford to lose because anything that happened in crypto could drop 80% over the course of a month. I mean, we've seen it happen before. So really always be careful with your money. Draw your support resistance lines, buy at support, wait for pullbacks after big pumps. Don't FOMO in. Again, all those standard rules apply, and just, please do your research before investing in this stuff because, again, it is so volatile. But with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe if you haven't. So until next time, thanks for watching.